All right, let's get to it. Go Packers for Sunday NFL football. But let's talk about what we're doing for Forex trading. So we're gonna be selling the US dollar this week here. You're gonna be selling the DXY here. Looking for the US dollar to come back down to 101.0, and then we'll see if it breaks back down to 100.0. That's all I'd be looking at. Let's see what's up here with this lightning bolt here. Prospect of deep, steeper Fed cuts boost stocks, drives record gold prices. Yep. The rate cut is supposed to be this Wednesday. Oh, hold on. Let me refresh this. Yep. Oh, they plan on raising rates, but oh no. They plan on cutting down rates. My bad. Cutting down rates. 0.25 basis points. So now we're gonna see that one coming. So, Japan and China's got a bank holiday. Hmm. Let me see here. The only big day that I would pay attention to would be Wednesday, would be the rate decision. I mean, Wednesday's gonna be a big day. And then Thursday morning would be the big day for the pound for UK's rate decision, but they don't plan on changing their rates, so it stays the same. Thing is, Japan's got their policy rate on Thursday night, but it's not as volatile as the US dollar's rate decision, so don't really focus too much, and unless something happens with the policy and the press conference, but I don't really see a whole lot from there. So Wednesday and Thursday gonna be a big day. All right, all the indices. So we're gonna be buying all the indices. So looking for US 30 to come back up to 41 let me hit the side. Who is it at? 41.5. That'd be the first target, 41,500. And then we will see if it decides to go up even further once they cut rates or just sits here. This is also a tricky setup because it could very well just end up sitting between in this structure here. So even though it went up all week last week, it could very well just sit here. Just don't get too caught. Same thing with S&P 500. Shout out to 5,600, but it has not broken a new high. So we will see if they even go further up. It does not go further up after the rate decision. I'm just gonna sell it back down. Nasdaq, like I said, we're buying all the indices based on the weekly, but be very careful once we come into the rate decision on Wednesday. Okay, could very well it could also spike themselves back down too. So that's always something to be considerate about, especially when we have high impact news that's going to affect the markets, especially when you got the rate decision and then whatever Jerome Powell is going to talk about and his predictions and economic projections for the remainder of the year, and also if they really plan on cutting rates going forward for next year. And also the big thing is we got the presidential election coming up too, so that's gonna spark another spike in the markets too. Let's see here. Gold has got a new high. Same thing with silver shot up too, but gold's got a new high here. Almost hit in 2,600. So that's gonna be my first target. And then we will see if it sustains a move above 2,600. Said it's at all-time high, and it has not reversed itself back down ever since. Hey, come on, we don't need this. Yeah, it's been going up. What was it? 2 years ago. Dang, 2 years ago, man. It's at 1,600. That's crazy. And now it's at 20. Yeah, almost gained $1,000 in value in 2 years. Silver, buying silver, looking for silver to hit $31, and then the next move would be to sustain a move out back up to 32. Buying the euro. Hold on. Just want to make sure everything all set up. Yep. Yeah. Buying euro, looking for euro to retest itself back up to 111, and then we will see if it breaks back to 112. Also buying the pound on the weekly chart here, looking for it to come back to 130. 132. If it does not sustain a move above 132, I'm just gonna sell it back down. Let's see. We're buying Australia and New Zealand. Australia looks like turning out steam here, but the first target would be 68, and then we will see if it breaks above 68. And then New Zealand dollar, we're buying this pair, looking for this pair to break 62. And then the final move would be to break up to 63. And then we're selling the Euro British Pound back down, looking for this pair to come back down to 84. Yeah, 84.00. And then we will see if it breaks the support price back down to 83. All right, fine. UJ. All right, I take a look at the pack game. That's all. We're not buying UJ. We're selling UJ. My bad. Selling this pair back down to break. Back down to 139. It's gone down ever since July. That's crazy. So, but it was also at all-time high too. So looking for 139, and then 140.0 first, and then the next one would be 139, and then the third move would be 138. U-Swiss selling this pair to break the support price of 84, and we'll see if it breaks below 84, back to 83 here. And then selling UK back down to 135, and then the second target would be 134. And that's all I got for you guys. So don't forget, Wednesday we have the rate decision. US is planning to cut rates by 25 basis points. That's what the projections are. And then we'll see what the press conference, what Jerome Powell is going to be talking about and economic projections for the future. And then Thursday, the pounds got their rate decision, but they don't plan on changing the banking rate. And then Thursday night for Tokyo sessions is the Bank of Japan's policy rate, but I don't really see a whole lot with this one. Every time I traded the Bank of Japan's rate decision, like, it doesn't really do a whole lot. So, other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Any questions, let me know in the Telegram chat group. Go Packers. Peace out. What up, guys? Let's get it. So, go Packers as always. Happy Sunday Funday. Let's get into it. So, I was holding the buys since Friday. Everything is positive. Let me hop down here on the daily chart here. All right. Oh, it's starting to come back down. So might end up. Oh, we're going back and sell then. Let me check my trades here quick. Okay, yeah, they're starting to come back down. So we're gonna switch it up. All right, so we're gonna be selling cryptocurrency. I was holding the buy position since Friday. They were holding their way up, but now it's coming back down. So we're gonna switch everything back to sell. Yeah, everything is negative here. Everything is red. So I'm gonna annotate here. It's all red, in the red. So I like to keep an eye on the watch list as much as possible and see what the percentage changes are. So Bitcoin's already coming below 60,000. At this point, we're probably looking to see if it's going to hit 59. 59, and we'll see if it drops back to 58. That's what I'd be looking at. Let's see here. Ethereum's already coming back down below 2,400. Litecoin is already coming back down to 64. Shiba's at 13. Dogecoin is coming back down 10 cents. Ripple, let's see, Ripple is falling back down to 58 cents right now. Neo is coming back at $9.40. Dash is at $24. Yeah, so we're gonna be switching it back to sell. So I want to have that set out to you guys here. Once this video goes up, Zcash is already at 30, and Tezos is at 64 cents. So we are gonna be selling cryptocurrency starting now. So I already sent out the message out to cash out on the buy and get into selling pressure here. So any questions, let me know in the Telegram chat. All right, guys. Peace.